Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show how to backup and restore call logs or call history. So let's see how to do that. So first of all, go to your Google Play Store and then open Google Play Store and then search call and SMS backup restore. Call and SMS backup restore. Please install this app and then open it. You can see PDF backup, export PDF document for SMS, call log, WhatsApp chat is. So open it. In this you can choose and open general call log. Click here. And in this here write your export file name. And then open start. And then open start date. Click on it. And in this you can choose your need date, month or year. And then OK. Select call details you want to export. And then you can see 4 options: call log details, only dial calls, only missed calls, only received calls. In this time you can choose first option, call log details, and then export to PDF. Click here. And in this way I can easily backup and restore my call logs history. And then right top corner share option, click on it. And in this you can share your backup and restore call logs history anyone. And then you can see download option, click on it. And then view, open it. And in this way you can easily backup and restore call logs history or call history. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.